My name is Vince F. Gutang, Marine Environment S1 Air. I discuss ballast water management, BWM, anti-fouling system, other contemporary regulation of requirements. First, I discuss ballast water management, BWM. Ballast water management involves controlling and treating ballast water to prevent the spread of invasive species between marine ecosystem. Ships take on ballast water to maintain stability, but this water can carry harmful microorganisms and species that threaten local biodiversity. The International Maritime Organization, or IMO, introduced the Ballast Water Management Convention to regulate how ballast water is treated or exchanged. Ships must either perform ballast water exchange in the open ocean, or use approved treatment system to ensure water meets stringent quality standards before discharge. Second, anti-fouling system, or AFS. An anti-fouling system is a coating applied to a ship hull to prevent the growth of marine organisms like barnacles, algae, and mollusks. These organisms cause biofouling, which increase drag, fuel consumption, and emissions. The IMO's anti-fouling system convention like tributene, TBT, which were once commonly used in paints but caused environmental harm. Ships are required to use safe, approved anti-fouling system to marine ecological damage and maintain vessel performance. Third, other contemporary regulation or requirements. Modern maritime and regulation aim to address environmental and safety concerns. The IMO 2020 sulfur cap limits sulfur content in marine fuel to 0.5% to reduce air pollution, while MARPOL Annex 5 regulate emission of sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, and particulate matters from ships. Thank you. God bless, sir.